guys are having a nice day. Welcome to SUNDAESINS Quarantine Salon, where we save life one haircut at a time. Wait, what is that? I think we have our first customer. Here's our lovely first customer. Come please have a sit, have a seat in my balcony, where we save life one haircut at a time. Say it with me, where we save life
one haircut at a time.
Yeah, it's quarantine season, we don't get to go out, so we're doing this
John Llyod, help me.
John Llyod, say goodbye to all those other salons because no salons are open right now, and yeah, everyone can just cut hair in my balcony.
No, don't John Llyod, I still need to go to him. John, I still love you.
So professional, there's even a cape in my quarantine salon. Check that out. You don't find this quality in John Llyod salon.
You got alcohol. John Llyod is giving me alcohol. It's damn stupid. Your thing is so low quality. My hands can come out like this.
You don't need it.
Like that.
Hair will fall straight down.
Fall on the side.
After watching 3 episodes, maybe 3 videos of haircut tutorial for boyfriends, I think I got it all prepared. I'm prepared to do this. I'm prepared. You gotta have faith in your hairdresser.
Yeah, John Llyod.
No, it's me now. You don't need to go to John Llyod anymore. I can give you a good fit. First, when you come into the salon, you gotta ask your customer, right? Okay, so what do you want to do?
Hey, just cut my hair quickly lah.
You want to do some dip dials? I got some nice range of color dip dials for you to choose from.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Hey, wait! So he already told me that he doesn't want to cut his front, doesn't want to cut this long front. He just wants to do the sides, right? What do you call it? Fade the sides?
Oh god.
Alright, let's do it. I watched a lot of tutorials already. So first thing they do, right, is they find the parting. They find the parting and they clip it up. So we don't have a proper clip. Oh wait, I need to take picture for my Instagram. Take before and after picture. Wait So right now I'm using the Xiaomi hair cutter. This one has been #1 sales on the internet right now. Is it on? So here you can see the different numbers on the clip. We're gonna use the higher number first because I see all those videos, they start with the higher numbers. Okay, now we're gonna try with the back first because like if you fuck up the back, no one can see it. And here we go. Oh, there's very minimal hair coming out.
She says as hair drops down.
So what you want to do is shave until the temples, so you can see like a line here. This is a new video for me, man. Okay, you gotta tilt the head down more. Okay, that's too much. Okay, good. So you want to shave opposite where the hair grows. Oh, there's so much hair. Wow, your hair grows long so fast.
It's 3 months, okay?
3 months of not...
You're meant to cut your hair every 2-3 weeks, you know?
Oh shit.
Yeah, to maintain your hair.
I see.
Worst also 1 month once.
Hey, I think it's looking good, yeah? Wait, no, honestly, I think it's not bad. I think I'm doing alright.
Okay dear, good job.
Okay, temples are here. So you want to shave until this area. You don't want to go over the line. Also, another tip for you guys, if you want to shave your boyfriend's hair, when you shave it, do this motion where you're going up in a C shape. C shape.
C looks like that.
C shape like that. C, scoop it up. Like you're scooping up the hair. C shape line.
Oh my god.
You don't want to cut directly straight because that's going to fuck the hair up. That's not going to look nice. Please hold down your ear, customer. Okay. As you can tell, I'm doing it very slowly because I'm making sure I'm cutting the hair properly so my boyfriend does not get angry at me.
Well, we're on a balcony, so if it all goes wrong, I can just tell low straight.
Okay, you need to hold this side now, please, customer. Alright.
I'm not paying you for this.
Okay, so you can see now, here you can see one straight line, which is correct. You're doing a good job, Juliana. So right now, I'm going to merge these two lines together. I didn't cut a lot top here. I just focused on the bottom just to make it more loose. And we want to blend this together. So we are gonna go down lower to number 9. This side looks a bit better than the other side. This is your good side, right?
No. You know this side is not the part, right? The part is on this side.
Well, gotta change things up. This salon got kisses there!
You're lucky that John's voice what no kisses.
That would be weird. Okay, now that we are kind of finished, we are kind of finished with the fade. I'm just going to lower down the knot a bit to level 6 to make it shorter, so maybe we can cut like this area which is just not there yet. Okay, just got some towel and paper towels to wipe off the hair that's fallen off because I can't see shit.
That has fallen off.
The cutted hair.
Is this a towel we used to wipe the floor?
No, it's not! It's a clean hand towel. This side is tricky. So, how's your day? How's your life? How's been?
Wow, dear.
I see you on Instagram. What's happening? I'm making cookies.
Sound like John Llyod. Wow.
Alright, now we have removed the clipper and gone to the maximum.
But you know you cannot touch my skin.
Yeah, let me try.
Metal cannot touch.
Yeah, I only do the down part here though. The down part here, I can't see any shape. And as a hairdresser, I don't feel nice to see this for my customers. Anything? Doing great, dear. So we have finished with the haircut. So now at my salon, after my haircut, you go and shower.
Show yourself.
Yeah, you shower yourself at the salon and we'll be back to show you the end results. And now look who's fresh and clean and nicely shaved. Look at that. Wow, look at this side. Wow, very nice. Look in front of it. Wow. And like, yeah, he even styled his own hair because in SUNDAESINS quarantine salon, you style your own hair.
You shower yourself and you have to clean your own hair off the floor.
Yeah, I gotta vacuum that later. Okay, what do you think?
Not bad lah. 7.5 to 8 out of 10.
Just now he said it was 9 out of 10
No, I
and he
didn't.
doesn't need John
I
Llyod
didn't.
anymore.
I
Goodbye, John Llyod.
John,
Thank
I see
you, bye.
I see you after the 9th, okay, John?
Yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope it inspires you to cut your own boyfriend's hair and don't feel scared. This is my first time ever cutting someone's hair and yeah, it was very challenging for me. I felt like very intimidated and scared and I was sweating the whole time. I couldn't really film properly.
Because it's hot.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye! Ow.